Hello everyone, my name is Ziya Bhavsar and I am pursuing my undergraduate degree in Microbiology at Mehsana Institute of Science, Ganpat University. Being a part of this university has been an incredible learning experience. The Department of Microbiology provides both theoretical knowledge and practical exposure. Our faculties are highly supportive, approachable and encourage us to explore beyond the classroom. The well-equipped laboratories, interactive learning environment and conferences have strengthened both my internal confidence and my technical skills. I have been representing my universities at various academic events. One of the proudest achievements for me is securing second prize in Green Energy Challenge, which improved my confidence and helped me to continue learning in my field. So what truly makes this university special is that it has two pathways. First, research, where a student has to perform a specific project under mentor, and the second is on-job training, where a student has been sent to industries where they can have a live industrial exposure, and these both ways can make the students to practically involved for future perspective. I am proud to be part of this Ganpat University, and I will highly recommend to someone who is looking for practical exposure, quality teaching, and to the one who wants to achieve something in future. Thank you.